Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Excel file into Drive, upload your XLSX now and stop waiting. Once uploaded, right-click and choose Open with Google Sheets to convert, or select Open with Microsoft Excel Office Editor to edit without conversion. Make sure to enable offline and version history so you can recover edits. This avoids surprises. You'll see file previews and conversion options. Pick the path that preserves formulas you need, and then move on to the next step. You now decide how to edit. Use Google Sheets for quick collaborative tweaks, or choose Office Editor when formulas, pivot tables, or macros must stay intact. Once in Sheets, check File Spreadsheet settings and set calculation to match Excel's recalc behavior so numbers stay correct. If you need macros, open with Microsoft Excel in Drive. Make changes there and save back to Drive. Make sure to inspect conditional formatting and pivot summaries, so visual results remain consistent across both editors. You finish by ensuring your work is saved and accessible. Office Editor autosaves directly to Drive while a converted Google Sheet creates a new file. Make sure you know which one you shared. Once done, set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, and add expiration if temporary. If formulas break or formatting shifts, don't panic. Open version history to revert or re-upload the original. XLSX and reopen in Office Editor. That single troubleshooting step recovers most problems quickly, so use it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.